In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a thumbs up icon in Figma. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, let's dive right in. First off, open Figma and create a new frame. You can do this by selecting the Frame tool from the left-hand toolbar. This will set the stage for your thumbs up icon. Once you have your frame, the next step is to draw a rectangle for the background of your icon. Make sure to adjust its size according to your preference. This rectangle will serve as the base. Now that we have our rectangle, let's start shaping the thumbs up design. Click on the rectangle you just created, and you'll see various options for editing it in the Properties panel. To give it some flair, click on the plus next to Stroke in the Properties panel. This will allow you to add an outline to your rectangle. With the stroke added, keep the position set to the center and adjust the weight to 1.5. This will ensure that your outline is neither too thick nor too thin, striking a perfect balance for visibility. Next, let's make it a bit more stylish. Click on the highlight option to see additional settings. After that, look for a small icon next to the weight setting. Clicking on this will open a menu for stroke settings. In this menu, you'll want to select the last option under Join to add radius to the corners of the rectangle. This rounding off is crucial for achieving that emoji-like aesthetic. Now, double-click on the rectangle, and you'll notice points along the border. This means you can start shaping the thumbs up symbol. Focus on the bottom line and drag the middle point to the left. To create the signature look of a thumbs up, you'll need to raise the left corner point upwards. This transformation gives the shape a more recognizable hand gesture. Next, go to the right corner and click on the corner point. In the Properties panel on the left, look for a radius setting and adjust it to 3, adding a soft curve to that corner. Now, repeat this for the upper left corner, adding points and lifting them above to refine the thumb shape. Again, remember to set the corner radius to 3 or whatever feels comfortable to you. For the upper right corner, drag the point down while making sure to add even more radius to perfect the shape. At this point, your thumbs up is coming together nicely. Click on Fill to add color to your icon. This will bring it to life. Now let's take a moment to round off the sides to give them a more emoji-like appearance. Just check out the results as you catch up with this craft. Next, let's work on creating the hand. Click on the Rectangle tool again and draw a rectangle to the left side of your thumbs up. To match the design, click on Stroke and make sure it's set to inside with a weight of 1.5. Once that's done, don't forget to add radius to the corners in the stroke settings. You'll quickly see how the corner radius changes add character to your design. And finally, there you have it. Your thumbs up icon is complete. Congratulations on creating a fantastic design in Figma. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to play around with the shapes and settings to create variations of your thumbs up icon. Happy designing!